We present motion montage, which allows the user to record multiple takes for an object's motion and combine them. The result is called the montage. The hardware setup allows the user to move a physical object in the play area, which is tracked using a Kinect camera. A virtual object on the screen follows the tracked motion. The like box on the table is used to annotate the takes. We now illustrate the system functionality with a sample story. In this story, the truck is moving in a careless way and falls at the end. Each recorded take here has a very different style. In the first take, the truck moves in a zigzag way. In the second take on the left, the truck jumps while moving. In the third take on the right, the truck moves back and forth repeatedly. The user now annotates the takes. To annotate each take, the user moves the green block in the like box as the take plays to indicate how much he likes or dislikes the currently playing part. A novel algorithm merges the annotated takes into one take called the montage. We first temporally align the takes using dynamic time warping. We then formulate a labeling problem over a semi-Markov conditional random field and solve it exactly to create the montage. We then undo the temporal warping in the montage and blend the motion at the transition points between the takes. The resulting montage combines the liked parts from the takes, removes the disliked parts, and maintains temporal coherence. In a user study, we tested whether users found a montage to be better than a set of original takes. In phase 1, 20 users with no prior animation experience recorded an animation. Each animator read a script, recorded 3 takes, and annotated them. Our system then created the montage. We now play the montage for one of the animators and read out the script in the background. Below the montage, we also show the take that was automatically chosen for each part of the story based on the user's annotations. A soldier is guarding a castle by marching in front of it back and forth. This is so boring, he thinks. The weather is nice and he decides to take a walk around the castle's pathway. He looks around to see if anybody is watching him. Nobody is there, so he starts his casual stroll. Slowly, he becomes more and more carefree. Jumping around with joy, he does not notice a banana peel that is lying on his path. He steps on the banana peel, slips, and falls down. He gets up slowly with effort and limps towards the castle. The monotonous routine starts again, guarding the castle by marching in front of it, back and forth, now with a limp. He finds it very hard to walk now and stops marching after reaching the other end. In the second phase, 1 week later, we invited back the 20 animators. The animators ranked the takes and the montage from 1 to 4 after viewing them in a random order. The montages got significantly better ranked than the initial takes. We also asked 42 other viewers to do a binary comparison of the montage versus the individual takes of each animator. The montage is preferred significantly over all the 3 original takes for almost all the animators. Motion montage also allows the users to record animations involving multiple objects. The user records the motion for Mario as the previously recorded motion for the monster plays. Difficulties arise when, for example, Mario is supposed to hit the monster on the head but ends up intersecting with it, or the user overcompensates and Mario misses the monster. We introduce the notion of spatial markers in this paper. The spatial marker is a static gray version of the object in the pose specified by the marker's position at a chosen point on the timeline. With the help of this marker, the user can now record Mario's motion better. An informal user study resulted in positive feedback about the use of the markers. We now play the full animation recorded by one of the users. We also invited 2 experienced animators to use our system and create an animation. They recorded 4 shots separately and then later joined them. In the first shot, the truck sees a plane flying and tries to imitate it. 2 takes for the plane and 3 takes for the truck were composited here. The truck then tries to use a ramp for takeoff in the second shot but fails to fly. 2 takes were composited here. In this third shot, where the truck makes a final attempt to fly off a cliff, 2 takes for the truck and 3 takes for the plane were composited. In the final shot, the plane catches the falling truck and then carries it off in the sky. 1 take for the truck and 4 takes for the plane were composited here. The animators also used spatial markers to coordinate the motions of truck and plane. To summarize, we presented a system motion montage which allows the user to 1. Combine multiple takes of an object after annotating them, and 2. Record multi-object animations with the help of spatial markers. We also reported qualitative and quantitative results from user studies for both these ideas. Thank you.